Dear students, congratulations to online classroom. How about you? I am also fine like you. I hope all you are in well in this COVID-19 period in pandemic or epidemic situation by abiding the rules of health and hygiene. My identity is I am Aminul Islam, Assistant Teacher English, Kopilmuni Shahosari, Vidya Mundir. Dear students, today our class is 7 and subject is English first paper. So I am going to proclaim today's unit and lesson. Today our unit is number 5 and lesson is number 1. The unit title is Great Women to Remember and lesson title is Begum Rokeya, page number 45 and 6 based on your textbook. So, dear learners, there are some learning outcomes of this passage. So, look at the whiteboard and don't make a sound in the classroom. Listen to me what I say carefully. Attention to your English class. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to read and understand text. Know about worldwide well-known women. Ask and answer some questions. Learn some important English words. And last, write a story. Dear students, before going to start reading the passage, I will give you some keywords of this passage with synonym and antonym. This word will help you for understanding the text. So, dear students, look at the whiteboard. Keywords, word analyzing, English meaning, synonym and antonym. Famous, number 1, a person who is known and recognized by many people. Synonym, renowned or well known. Antonym, notorious or unknown. Number 2, social worker, a person who employed to provide social services, especially to the disadvantaged. Synonym, social agent or employee. Number 3, undivided, not divided, separated or broken into smaller parts. Synonym, united or single or unseparated. Antonym, divided or partial. Number 4, opportunities, a set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something. Synonym, chances, advantages or benefits. Antonym, disadvantages or difficulty. Number 5, landlord, a person or a owner of vast area of land. Synonym, jamindar or landowners. Antonym, tenants or subject or renter. Number 6, deputy, a person who is empowered to act as a substitute for this superior. Synonym, associate or servitor. Antonym, disassociate. Number 7, magistrate. Magistrate means a civil officer or leges who administers the law, especially on who conducts a court. Synonym, judge or justice. Antonym, injustice. Number 8, cooperative. Cooperative means involving mutual assistance in working toward a common goal. Synonym helpful or collaborative. Antonym none or uncooperative. Number 9, encouraged. Encouraged means, the meaning of encouraged is give support, confidence or hope to someone. Synonym inspired or motivated. Antonym discouraged. Last, number 10, communication. Communication means the act of connecting or exchanging between people or places. Synonym contract or correspondence. Antonym separation or dividing. So, dear learners, after knowing the keywords of this passage, let's go for reading the passage based on your textbook. Listen to me carefully. Lesson on Begum Rokeya. Begum Rokeya from 1880 to 1932 was a famous writer and a social worker. She lived in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the society. So she fought for their cause throughout her life. Begum Rokeya was born in a village called Pairaband, Rangpur in 1880. Her father, Johiruddin Muhammad Abu Ali Haidar Saber, was an educated landlord. Rokeya was married to Khan Bahadur Shakawat Hossain in 1896. Her husband was the deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district in the Indian state of Bihar. He was very cooperative and always encouraged Rokeya to go on with her activities. Many upper-class Muslims of Bengal at the time learned Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communication. But Rokeya had great love for her mother tongue. She learned Bangla and English from her eldest brother Ibrahim. So, dear learners, I am going to give other some important words and their meaning from the text. These words will help you for better understanding the text. First para. Early means quickly, promptly, before long. Lift means make or take up once aboard. Century, a period of 100 years. Believed, trusted, relied on. Rights means privilege, demands or authorities. Society means family, community, class. Cause means reason, matter or pretext. Second para. Arabic means in or about Arabic language. Persian means in or about Iranian language. Class means society, category or community. Always means constantly, ever, continuously. District means subdivision, province or shire. Called means named, designated, entitled. Educated means enlightened, lettered or trained. Married means wedded. State means province, country or territory. The last para. Activity means action, movement, or. Upper means higher, superior, above. At the time means by the time, in those days, then. Medium means vehicle. Learn means know, realize, study. And last, eldest means senior, older, and highest. Dear students, after finishing the text, we have to answer all the questions of section E from your textbook. There are some questions on your textbook. So, will you answer this question? Okay. I am giving the answer all the question. Number 1. What was Begum Rokeya believed? Begum Rokeya believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men in the society. Question number 2. What did she fight for? Answer. She fought for women's right. Number 3. What kind of family did she come from? Answer. She came from a rich family. Number 4 question. Why did many upper class Muslims learn Arabic and Persian at the time? Answer. Many upper class Muslims at the time learned Arabic and Persian as the medium of education and communication. Sorry. And last, number 5 question. Why did Rokeya learn Bangla and English? Answer. Begum Rokeya learned Bangla and English as she loved greatly. Dear students, today we have reached the last stage of your class. So, I am advancing to give you your home task. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. Your home task is write a story with title on honesty is the best policy, or honesty is the best way. So, dear learners, no more today. Take care of your health in this COVID-19 period in pandemic or epidemic situation by following the rules of health and hygiene. Wash your hands frequently and regularly with soap and sanitizer. Maintain physical or social distance and refrain going from crowded places. Use face mask when you have to go out of your home. Eat vegetables and huge number of enriched food, vitamin C. Gargle with slight hot water and take tea and coffee regularly. Practice physical exercise and yoga by staying at home. Don't waste your time by staying at home in lazily. Carry on your study constantly by staying at home and save your lives. Thanks to all. Goodbye.